Hi everyone. We had an at-sea rescue this morning. The captain came on and announced that there was a small boat in the ocean about 40 miles away from the nearest land, which was Haiti. And it actually looked like a rowboat with a sail. And they were kind of waving at us. So the captain says, we are obligated under marine law to stop and give assistance. So that's what we did. We stopped, and then they ascertained that no, they didn't need help. They were just waving to us, hi, you know. The captain contacted the Coast Guard. It was a small boat, and the seas were kind of rough, and he thought the Coast Guard should take a look at it. So that was kind of an exciting morning. It was about an hour and a half that it took to get that all done. Next thing in the afternoon, got a chocolate delight plate. It was chocolate covered strawberries, bonbons, and macaroons. Yeah, that was nice. It was a nice afternoon snack. And that night was called Elegant Night, so you had to get dressed up. Now, for you men who don't want to wear suits or tuxes or ties, it's not required, but you must have on a nice pair of pants, shoes, not flip-flops, not gym shoes, but a nice pair of shoes. And you don't have to wear a tie, which that's what Bruce likes. He doesn't want to wear a tie. And what they serve is lobster and shrimp. And there are pictures of our lobster and our shrimp. That's what this day's events are about. See you later.
Right off our port side is a very small ship that has waved our ship, indicating they need help. And so, because of maritime law, our captain is required to stop and lend assistance to any ship or boat that is by him. Now, whether these people really need help or not, we don't know, but we still are required to lend assistance. And as you can see, it's not very big. So everybody is here trying to get a look. He appears to be tacking our direction. And so we're just waiting. He seems to be getting closer to us on his own. And we're here waiting for him. The ship has stopped. Well, there's the boat now. Appears to be 3 people on board. And the captain has assessed that this is not a rescue, that they are just fishing. So we are going to go on our way. And that dot out there is the ship, or should I say the boat. And it was determined it's just a fisher boat, and they were fishing.